This is an automated program that can explain, summarize, and do whatever you wish simply by taking a photo of the text and putting it into the system as an input. The system will then process it and return the response you need. As a book reader, I find that comprehending the content of some English paragraphs is one of the most difficult things, especially as a non-native speaker. And it just seems unlikely that I would write the full paragraph and then ask a generative AI to explain it for me. So instead, I felt the need to come up with an ultimate solution that would end this struggle for good. I'm already aware that this feature already exists in GPT-4. To achieve this task, we need two things. First thing we need is to understand that this is not an easy task. Second thing is, we need to choose a tool that can perform optical character recognition, something that can read a text from an image. There are different Python libraries that you can choose from, each comes with its own advantages. I ended up choosing EasyOCR because, as the name suggests, it's easy to implement. No, but seriously, this is a great tool because, as you can see here, it gives you how confident the model is for every prediction it makes. In this case, the model is performing poorly. Like seriously, it's so bad that even a baby can read these words. So here was my idea to reduce these errors. I converted the input image to BGR and grayscale formats. I then estimated the overall model's confidence for each image and then compared them all. Here I found that every time I changed the input image, the model's confidence varies. Certain predictions are better in grayscale, others in BGR format, and so on. What I did was compare the three and use the one with the highest prediction confidence to use it in the next stage of the process, which is text processing. In this stage, I used a dataset from Kaggle that has over 370k English words, 370,100 to be precise. You may be wondering why, and here's the answer. After extracting the text from the image, I saw that the paragraph was filled with errors, such as this word, which does not exist. The model just mispredicted the word pretty. So for each word we had, I checked to see if it was in the words dataset. If it was, I moved on to the next word. If not, I replaced it with the closest word in the dataset. This paragraph seems more convincing now. Next, wait, let me drink some water here. What's coming next is the hardest part. Also, I want to remind you that this project will be posted on my GitHub once I finish writing the code documentation. Okay, we're back. So last but not least, I integrated one of the most powerful text generation APIs, OpenAI GPT API. This is like putting RTX GPU in a school computer, no offense. So I found this web called Rapid API, which provides an online marketplace for APIs. Anyway, I went on and selected the most obvious choice, which provides you with free 50 requests each month, meaning you can generate 50 ChatGPT texts from your code for free. After that, they will charge you. I went on and did what best programmers in the world do. You still remember that text I extracted from the image and then I corrected it using the word-by-word correction technique? Well, guess what? I took the function that returns the corrected text and I used it as a prompt, and after it I added a text so that GPT would understand what to do with the paragraph. Also, keep in mind that I used as an input image the back cover of this science fiction book by James White. If you are reading it, please tell me what's going on. So after telling ChatGPT to explain the back cover text, this is what I got. You can pause the video to check the result. To be clear, I don't consider this as a complete project. Many aspects are still lacking, and I believe I made a mistake in choosing EasyOCR because in this comparison, Kira's OCR appears to be the most accurate model, so keep that in mind. Thanks for checking this video out and see you in future projects.